With trimmers opened, another method to generate lift is through back riser steering, using the C risers or, depending on the wing, a combination of B and C risers, especially if the wing features a B-C bridge like the Ozone R3X. The main difference between flying B-C or just C is that you are going to disturb the wing's profile less and you can use energy in a more efficient way. That's because when opening trimmers, you not only increase the length of the C lines but also the B ones. Therefore, pulling B plus C together will reproduce the gesture of closing the trimmers as closely as possible. Enhanced lift control. You get even better lift control and improved energy retention compared to using just Cs. Ability to simulate trimmer closure. You can reproduce the gesture of closing the trimmers, potentially maintaining improved glide performance for longer. Effectiveness varies depending on the glider. Depending on your wing, inputs may feel less smooth than with C, and therefore small directional adjustments might be more comfortable using only C rather than BC.